a great transition in transportation is underway. Electric vehicles are poised to become the next explosive global transformation, and all of these vehicles will require charging. Gas station owners are experiencing a new business reality. A growing number of customers are adopting electric transportation. But Noodoe EV is there to help them replace the lost revenue from customers abandoning gas-powered vehicles by attracting EV drivers with smart EV charging solutions. What makes Noodoe EV OS different is its fully autonomous operation that helps businesses achieve the lowest possible operating cost. Controlling and running all EV charging stations, Noodoe EV OS takes care of everything, so no service staff is required in the day-to-day operations. Owners can sit back and watch Noodoe EV OS continuously grow their revenue. With Noodoe EV OS, gas stations can install EV charging solutions to help them thrive in the electric transportation era. Noodoe EV OS can help attract new customers and replace declining revenue streams with low-cost autonomous solutions optimized for deployment across your gas station network. At Noodoe, we are on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to zero-emission transportation. To accomplish this, we provide the best network operating system, empowering our partners worldwide to optimize their operations for maximum revenue generation and the lowest possible operating costs.